Good day. Thanks for dropping in. Ugh. I've been in the pool room again. And this chair is kind of almost clear, but not quite. But I keep finding things. Things that maybe were on the chair, maybe fell off the chair. And always, it seems tangled. So here we have an OEM AC adapter. Looks very much like the other one I saw. That was all wrapped up. 120 volts AC. Output 12 volts AC. And what's it for? I have no clue. No clue at all. But I have a feeling at some point I will find whatever it is. I'm just getting, there was a big tight knot in this cord that can cause wires to break inside. Anyway, what's this for? I don't know. Can I do anything with it at the moment? No, not really. So it will go in the box to be tested. Then, of course, I think we have a pair of these. Oh, no, it's not a pair of these. Wow, I don't remember ever seeing this before, but obviously I did because it was here. It's a double-ended thing with the four colors, yellow, red, black, and white on each end. So I guess with gender bender things, you could use this to extend your monitor cable, or, attach things together. I really don't remember ever seeing. Anyway, it'll hang on the door, along with this. Yes, indeed, it's another Commodore 128 to 1084S, 1084, 1902, etc. monitor, where you have this is for the 80 columns. You have the 9-pin and the DIN plug. Funny though, as I look in this one, it is lacking one pin, which I don't remember other ones were. So let me just look and see. Those other other cables that I had that I thought were for monitors and things of an IBM sort are also typically missing that pin. So it's possible, maybe, that some of these and some of those might be able to be used to extend the monitor cable. Well, I will have to check on that. Anyway, these things will go to the door. They will. Oh, what happened over here? Hello? Oh. Okay, it's still there. I wonder why it went away. Nice little spider it has there. Anyway, so other things that were on this chair were some more magazines, as they say, entertainment for men or gentlemen. This one is from January 1977, and it has a bunny on the front. I have not looked in this. This is more recent. This has Jessica Rabbit on the front, and it is from 1988. You can always also tell the later versions, or the more recent versions, do not have a staple. They don't. This one is also from 1988. Norman Mailer. Anyway, always, I'm sure, interesting stuff. This one is old. It has the staples, and it is the 25th anniversary issue from January of 1979. It is a big, thick. Oh, look, the car. It is a very big, thick edition to celebrate 25 years. Oh, there's an ad for a Toyota Celica GT Liftback. And what's this? Oh, it looks like a page with, I have to be careful here, the covers of the magazine. It does. Oh, there's Jimmy Carter. Let's see here. Yep, that's a whole bunch of the covers over the many, many years, 25 at that time. And I'm just looking. Ooh, an ad for a new Datsun 280ZX. A creature of comfort. A thrill to just sit in. Anyway, as always, lots of information and ads and such. And a letter from U.M. Hefner, the late U.M. Hefner. Let's see. I'm just looking for the. Oh yeah, here's a 2-page contents. All kinds of. Oh, Playboy interview. Marlon Brando. A candid conversation. Lots of interesting things, including, of course, the odd pictorial. The odd pictorial. Let's go to page 97 and look to see. Oh yeah, there he is. There is Marlon Brando, and as I've liked this for a long time. The 3 pictures, different poses. So this would be a candid, if reluctant, conversation with the country's greatest actor. Interesting. Well, I think I'll put that one here. Oh look, it's another Jessica Rabbit, same edition. What is this? Another from 1988, special college issue. Not as old. This one looks older. Oh yeah, this is from 1982, and this is from 1976. This is the Gala Christmas issue. As always, interesting ads, cartoons, stories, interviews, etc. I wonder who they interviewed this time. Oh, it's funny, The Mouth That Roared. And then in a previous issue, there was a thing with Howard Cosell. And this looks like another. With an interesting. Look, there he is with his mouth zipped. Interesting. Anyway, I have read many an interesting article from these magazines over the years. This one is from February 1976. Smaller edition. Oh, I forgot to look in the other as to who was their main interview that they usually do. I could use my glasses. James Caan, Candid Conversation. This one has some, it seems, water damage. Oh, well, let's look at here. As for BMW motorcycles. Alright, ooh, yeah, this is serious. So who do they candidly talk to this time? I don't see it. Oh, Julie Andrews and Blake Edwards, candid conversation. Hollywood's renegade couple tells all. No, Julie did not get any plastic surgery for her last scene in SOB, and yes, Blake did find Peter Sellers a pain in the neck to work with. Anyway, there are, of course, some people who think that these magazines are evil, and, you know, they did have a lot of literary content. Actually, like on a thing like this 25th anniversary issue is 410 pages. Now, I'm not going to go through and see all that there is to see, but I would bet that means there is like 10, oh, there's Marlon Brando, 10% maybe, so maybe 40 pages of pictorials and like 370 pages of ads, cartoons, articles, etc., etc., etc. Anyway, I suspect I will find more down there. I suspect. Hey, let's run away again. Oh, uh-oh. It's playing. And I will die because I don't even have a joystick in. Here it comes. Death. Oop, you know what I forgot? I forgot that we are on the air. I wonder what that yellow thing is. I just don't know. Certainly the purple thing is going to get me, and the spider is also going to get me, if it comes to me. But first, the centipede will get me. Oh well, I did turn the volume down. I did.
That was easy.
So, as I continue in the pool room, there's a lot of stuff there. So it will be slow. And, but anyway, if I don't start, it won't get finished. So, I gotta hang up some cables. And it is tempting to play a little centipede, but I don't think I will at this time. Maybe another time. I'll crank it up. Perhaps. Anyway, this, you know what I can do, just because I'm here, I can still double check the voltage on this power supply. 5.24. And remember, this is the power supply that would have come with the 1764 RAM expander, which is basically the same as a 128 power supply, which is much more impressive and openable and not buried in epoxy crud like a lot of the others. And oh, let me just check. Does it get warm? No, I don't think so. Anyway, always good to be able to check that 5-volt voltage. The voltage that's supposed to be 5 point, 2 or so. Because that is the side of the power supply that if anything's going to go bad, that's the one. Anyway, well, I suppose, there was something else I found downstairs. Yes, this is another screwdriver, and it's a T15, which means it's a Torx. And I do believe that is what is needed to open up some of the later 64s that had the Torx screws. And why did they put them on? Well, because not as many people had them as Phillips screwdrivers. These are also handy. A lot of cars use Torx things in and around the headlighting system. Anyway, it's here at the ready. Anyway, well, I guess it's time to go back down, hang up some cables here, and keep on sorting through. Because if I don't keep sorting, it won't get done. So, thank you for coming to the world of Commodore. Ugh. Indeed, sometimes no one has the Twilight Zone. Bye for now.